Good morning. Happy Friday. Let's go. Let's get it. You guys feel that? Feels like a nice day. Good day to have a great day. Let's just get it in. Danny, good morning, Queen. There he is, Caesar. Welcome in, King. There he is, Amy. Good morning. Let's go, y'all. My people. How we doing? Look at the sell-off. Holy shit. Holy shit. Where are we going? Yesterday's price action so wild. Wow. It's the first time actually seeing that. Gotta be looking to the downside after that, right? Holy shit. Gotta be looking to the downside, right, Kings? Ria Zeal, welcome in, brother. Good morning, Pat. TLR Free Money Friday. Let's get it. William, how you doing, King? Let's go. Bring this week to a healthy close. That's the goal, Ria Zeal. Come on. We gotta have a good note to our Friday. End the week on a good note here. Market yesterday. This is my first time seeing it since we got off at 11. Holy cow. What a weird price action. Pushed up into the 24,700s. Sold all the way back into the 455s. Wow. Yesterday there was an opportunity to make some real money, guys. And then we rallied again. Lots of opportunity to make some money yesterday. Good day to have an effort at it. I mean, we blew our accounts yesterday, but it really was a good day to try. Let's get our things set for our new accounts. 300 risk, 1,500 profit. Get our bracket orders, save, copy trade. Come on. Happy Friday, guys. How we feeling? How we doing? Vibe should be high. What's up, Wani King? Nothing, brother. You ain't missed nothing yet. But holy cow, the market yesterday was printing opportunities. Friday blessings, family. I love it, Ria Zeal. Jared, morning tide, try an MNQ buy around the 83, too early for minis. I like that. It is early for minis. Yesterday's range, my first time seeing yesterday's price after we got off is unreal, honestly. Diabolical. So much opportunity to make some money yesterday, but that's yesterday. Today's today. Let's see what we can do. I like the discipline, Jared. Only trading one MNQ. See if you can get that, Phil. I don't know. I don't know, gang. Previous day high is, well, technically way up. Technically it's way up there, you mean, but we can also be looking down. Newbie, good morning, King. What's up, brother? Bought some combines to trade with you today. Give me my funded accounts the day of, LOL. Give my funded accounts the day of, LOL. Yes, sir. And you got some combines to trade today? Let's go. Happy Friday. Let's make some money. I mean, 583. Shit is 100 points higher already. I know, dude. Opening print candle bringing us all the way into the 598s. Now we're up to the 690s. 100 points in two candles. Wow. Wow. Previous day range where we couldn't get higher than. I feel like we have to take it down now. Feel like we have to. I'm going to be looking for longs, you guys. Currently what I'm spotting, if we could see something. That 5-minute candle wicked crazy. Absolutely wild. Jeez. Shit candle. I agree, Danny. Wow. I mean, that was alone a 33. That was alone a 60-point candle. Still finding some more buy side into the previous day high. We have a little bit of news today. 10 o'clock, we have the Michigan sentiment. What a wick on the 5. Y'all keep saying that. And this is what my... oh, wow. Oh, wow. So do we have a chance to go get that low then? Or is that locked? Overnight low. We didn't even sweep. London low. Kind of want to find a short at this previous spot here. I mean, I missed my entry from the 600. Sorry, King. That's wild. Would have been immediately in profit. What up, Jay? What's up, King? Welcome in again. Let's go, family. Happy Friday. Vibes are high. Money's moving. Opportunities are crushing. The NASDAQ yesterday, I'm still stuck on it. Holy opportunity yesterday. Honestly, can't even be upset that we blew our accounts. It was a good day to do that. Michigan sentiment today, that's going to be a green-red rocket. Let's go, Jared. I think so, too. We already had some rocket ship. Look at this wick on this 600 print. We touched it and then just flew up to the 700s. Means the market is giving today. We just got to be patient to capitalize. Happy Friday, Matthew. Welcome in, King. Stoked you're here. Stoked everybody's here. The vibes are stellar. Let's make some money and just end the week on an awesome note, you know? Good morning, Dave. Welcome in, King. There he is. Our disciplined Dave. Let's make money, end the week on a stellar note. Everybody can just, you know, move on with our weekend on positivity. Come back next week. Guns a-blazing. Pow, 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 pow. Looking for a short into the low 740s if we can get a confirmation candle. I like that, Corey. I also wanted to maybe short this previous range where we were respecting right now. Back at the 700s. It's a little bit hard to fade this bullishness after they're printing off the opening print with some strength, but it's a possibility. I would definitely be willing to long any VWAP pullback, I think. Let's see if price can go back to the 650s. I'm in with you if we do that, Amy. I would like a 650 potentially. Maybe even a little. Yeah, 650 is the VWAP. I'd love a 650 entry. Hopefully I can pass my TPT account today. 117 to go. You got this, Danny. No doubt about it, Queen. $117. That's 5 little points in the NASDAQ, or 6. You're going to crush that. I took a long on that 5 minute. Okay, Riazil. I like it. I kind of want to find a long if we pull back into the 50s. Actually, I'm going to put an order just in case. Good morning, peeps. Welcome in, King. There's our saucy. Our man, our myth, our martyr. Not gonna lie, I'm going to be super distracted by the Ryder Cup today. It's all right, King. No worries. The Ryder Cup, eh? Value. Worth being distracted by. Seeing if we could possibly find a buy around these 650s. The market's looking strong. Our order to be right above the VWAP at the 646s. Potentially targeting previous day high. Maybe targeting overnight high or this wick high, pre-market high. See what the sentiment from Michigan brings. That if 75 does not hold and goes to the 750, we got to see if we can get through this 700 whole number. Finding a lot of strength. Just 20 points off that one candles alone. Good signs on the major trend for buys. I agree, Riazil. Overall, the bulls are looking like they are responding. We got the big dip into this range. Buyers brought it back up. Sellers got heavy yesterday and brought us right back into that range. And still the same reaction, and now we're holding out. So I do anticipate some bullishness printing now. Look at all these boxes we have for no reason. Let's get rid of these. Don't know why we have all these boxes for no reason. Let's get rid of them. 750 is the top of this pre-market range we could possibly target if we find an entry. Comment a thumbs up if you want a video of us golfing this weekend. Sauce. No, they do not. Nobody wants to see that. My new rule has helped me a lot. Ain't shorting if it's above 930 open, which is the 654.25, and I'm longing if it's under it. I like the line in the sand, William. That's a good mindset. That's a great mindset. Good rules to be following. Obviously, everyone's strategy is a little bit different, but the fact that you have an idea is stellar, King. I like line in the sand. Above, I'm bullish. Below, I'm bearish. There's always safety to keep your trades fairly aligned with trend. Not a soul wants to see that. No, they could never. They can never. Still holding out these 700s right now. Finding a little bit of resistance. As you can see, we've been just wicking out at this price. Still looking for an entry back at the 650s right now. We got 21 minutes until the Michigan sentiment. Let's go, you guys. Does anyone feel it? The vibes, the vibing. They're high. Energy's crushing right now. Let's go. See what this market's got, this NASDAQ. Lots of opportunity this week. It's already been moved. Yesterday was a stellar trading day. We missed the opportunity to make some money on it, but we tried, and that's all we can do. Now we have the opportunity to do it again today. The market is already moving pretty strong. Low into the 600s, pushing into the 7s right now. Will it break the 7? Let's see it, Danny. Let's see if we can find some higher prices right now, Nazi. See if we can find some higher prices. Oh my gosh. It's not looking like it wants to give us a pullback entry at this moment. Still finding some resistance at these 7s. EMA is sitting at the 85s. What does it do? What does it do? What do you do, Nazi? Hopefully half pass these accounts and then finish them next week. Danny only needs 117 to pass her accounts. Hopefully she can do that. Pat, how you doing? I know you had those XFAs for that for TPT. How are those looking? How are you doing? I'll drop a like if you get a video of Saucy taking a bong rip. Caesar, you have no idea how many times I've asked that man to join me. It's not his vibe. Messes with his head a little bit too much. It's not his flavor. Please don't consolidate. It's done. We passing them all. We're passing them all. Let's go, Riazil. Morning, Maxie. What's up, King? There he is. Appreciate you sharing that Bollinger Bands with me yesterday. If we hit the 750s, then I will wait to enter in the 700. But if it goes back to 650, we'll be great. Yeah, 650 would be awesome. Pull back into the VWAP. We're holding right now at the 775s, back below the EMA. Hell nah. This guy and the Mary don't mix well at all. No, sir. Pat Sauce. I passed my first combine here in a week. Results in this community. Let's go, Riazil. Woo! That shit hypes me up more than anything right there. Come on. Passed his first combine. Let's fucking go. Good morning, Max. Mad Max, what's up, King? Let's go. Looking for possibly our first entry fill with these 650s. NASDAQ's coming down into the VWAP at 48. Let's see if we can get a fill right here. That sniper entry, I mean. That is a sniper entry. At the 50s, if we could get it. Hoping to see it. Right now, we're trading at the 65s. A little dipperoni and cheese could possibly give us an entry. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. NASDAQ turning back now at the back to the 780s, back at the EMA. Not giving us a fill at the 50s at the VWAP yet. Good morning, work. Welcome in, King. Oh, our Boston boy. What's up, brother? Well, looks like we are going to respect the 60s, pushing back into the 90s now. 700 whole number above. If we break that, we could probably be targeting these 746s. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry to do that in y'all's ear right there. Wow. Here we go with the strength. Pushing off those 90s into the 700 whole number. Finding some more print. A closure above this, I might add. I'm gonna try to do a little bit different today, guys. We gotta close above this. I'm gonna treat it like it was our first position and try to just get in with a contract or two. Targeting this high. Our first 15 minutes are close. Let's get that box ready just so we can be aligned with the market the best we can be. Just so we can give ourselves the best chance. And here's our first 15-minute range. We're going to have one more candle print to decide it. Watching that Ryder Cup, Saucy. We swept into the 700s there. 711, finding some more sell side now. Looking for a fill back at the VWAP at the 650 still. The 50% of the range also is aligned with our entry. So that's some more confirmation, but we'll see. A closure above this flat price at the 7s. I could even add into a long. That 700 looks solid. It does. Quite a bit of resistance right there right now, Amin. Not my favorite to see that much resistance. Good morning, Marv. Welcome in, King. Happy you're back, brother. Let's have a positive Friday. 56 is premium for the upside. I like that, Pat. I'm at 53 right now. 50% of our orders at the 54. So I'm at my order at the 54s. I'm looking for a fill right now at the 54 for the long side. I like it, Pat. Not liking price action. I'm sitting on hands. Good discipline, king. Must break if we want more upside. Must break. That 700 needs to break. I agree. Looks like we're finding some selling back into the EMA at the moment. Or back to the VWAP, hopefully, for our fill. And then we just got to see if we can get a reaction from the buyers there.
Order filled.
Got to see if we can get a reaction from our buyers here at the VWAP. Come on, buyers. Show me something here at this VWAP. Get excited. You know what I mean? Get excited about what's happening here. Give us a chance. We got to hold it. First trade, first try of the day. Let's see if we can get some support. We're targeting that upside. If we can get some reaction here at the VWAP and consider adding into this position. We just got to get some more support from these longs. Pretty convicted this goes to 800 today. I just don't want a position without Michigan sentiment being out. Hey, that's good discipline. Might wait for the news. News is in 15 more minutes. Good luck, man. I hope it works. Appreciate you, King. Let's see. Just the combine. Not risking anything too wild here. Just want to see if we can get this VWAP support. Sometimes when it comes in heavy. It's also 50% of our range. So we're just going to be patient here. See if we can get an opportunity. Or the NASDAQ's going to come stop us out. You know, nothing crazy. Right now, we are looking to maybe get the support at the VWAP, though. Back above the EMA would be stellar. Decent sell volume came in there, and we maintained VWAP, so that's overall decent in our direction. But signs say it should hold. Hey, I love it, Riazil. We'll see. Starting to get a little bit of support here at the V. Above the EMA to be good. 700 obviously is the next threatening break. Don't want to see any wicks here. Close above the EMA would be really nice. Do not want to see any wicks. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, mate? Do you know what I mean? Hey, mean, I hope you got your entry down to those 50s, King. It's looking like it might be holding. It's looking decent. I hope you got that entry yourself. I don't even need to add a contract, you guys. If we do rip through these 7s, I think the 730 is a lock, and I don't even need another contract to get our 15s. So, higher time frames are in your favor. Let's go, Pat. 9 to 20 golden cross up. I love it. I do. I'm hoping. See if we can get through these 700s. Got to get some volume. Look at this flat price. I think if we do find some support here, that 730s is pretty much a lock. Entry at the 82. Let's go, Danny. I missed that too, King. Hey, it's okay, brother. That's okay, King. Another opportunity. It's so early. Market's only been open for 17 minutes. We got Michigan sentiment in 13 minutes. Let's see what we can do. These 700s are being a very big obstacle, as you guys can see. If you are looking for a long and you're not in one yet, I would wait for a nice strong closure above these 700s. 705 is safest. A close above 705, you guys can look to add in if we get some support. But as of right now, just be watching, be waiting. We got sentiment, Michigan sentiment here in 12. Can we get through there, Nazi? Show me something. There it is. Pop. Close through the 705s. Close to the top of the range. I want to see it. Where do y'all see all the news? Well, there's news down here on these little events right here. They're always telling us here on each day. And then also you can come into here and go to Traders Hub. And they have the economic events here as well. Bro, with the day you had yesterday, I hope you have a nice fast Friday. Let's get that 1500. Let's go, Jared. I appreciate that support, King. It was a tough day yesterday, but I'm honestly very okay with it. Let's look at the price action yesterday, guys. Opening print price, we sold down, what did we do? 160 points yesterday. Rallied all the way back another 160. 8 more to the upside at what? So we went from this bottom at the 430 to the top of the 690. So 260 points to the upside. Sold all the way back off and then found it all again. Like, yesterday had so much opportunity, guys. We had to be willing to try. Look at this push. Trying to get through these 700s. Can we get there? Not really liking this flat price, this flatness. It's making me want to kind of close this position. This sideways at the 700s. News coming out in 11 minutes, though. If it was any sooner, I'd be a little bit more hesitant. But, you know, 11 minutes is fine. Then 700's been the spot all week. Yeah, Riazil, I know, King. Very, very wild. Look at this flatness, you guys. Struggling. Lots of sell orders being executed at the 700 whole number. Decompressed buying volume into a big range isn't my favorite thing to see there. Definitely want to see a little bit of a sweep of this and continuation. Looking like we're going to be stuck inside of it. It's looking maybe like we're going to get stuck. Look at all the wicks right here. So I'm up 1,400 right now. If I make 1,600 today, will I have to trade another day to pass? No. No, you won't, King. You can make 1,600. They have a little bit of a leeway, but I wouldn't make too much more than that. And also, yeah, is this your first or second day, Marv? Do you only need the 1,500 to pass? Come on, buyers. Show me something through these 710s. I got to get through this price. I want to see some pops here. Don't want to see any wicks. We're at a big spot. We got to see some continuation. I want to see these 7s get ripped. Another decompressed buying volume, sweeping the range. I want to see this stick. If this candle starts to wick, I'll probably just close and look for our last couple $100 somewhere else. This is the second day of Combine. Consider break even. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Pat. Appreciate that a lot, King. Break even should have already been on. Yep. That was what I was worried about, guys. The way that we were reacting there. Fuck. We're going to come back down to VWAP, I think, maybe. We just swept outside of the 15-minute range and couldn't find any support. I think we're going to find some more sell side now. Bummer. We were so close. That reaction happened so fast. Damn, psychology go crazy. I was paper trading after I blew the last one and was up 6K, bro. Psychology goes crazy. Yes, sir, King. Trading is made in the mind. I know, Danny. That was an ugly wick right there. Ugly. That we were starting to hold it. Not really sure what the play is. Just hanging out with the W stream. Let's like it up, everybody. Hey, newbie. Appreciate you, King. Yo, we have had a stellar week in this stream, you guys. Everybody's making a lot of money. I haven't made a lot of money, but it's okay. The vibes have been stellar. We had a goal at the early of the week to hit 30 likes each episode. This week, we've been crushing it. Goal, our moderator, Saucy, gave us that. We've been crushing. Let's just end the week on a stellar note. Maybe hit the 40s. We never hit that. Yesterday, we had like 38. Stellar. We'll see. We'll see. Hit that like button, y'all. Maybe we can bring this NASDAQ to the high side. I am currently thinking we're going to get stopped out of this trade. We got the sweep of the 15-minute range, and now we're still holding below these 7s. The 700, look at the wicks. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, almost 10 wicks there. Most 75, hold now. Come on, 75s, hold. Bring us back up there. Get us excited. Get these buyers involved. Come on. Come on, Nazi. I like the upside potential, guys. I like this flatness that we're struggling to get through. It looks kind of enticing. Obviously, we have some sell side we could also target, but with the price action of yesterday, I'm really struggling to fade these longs. 36, 39, 32, 38, the first 4 days. All because of you, Sauce. You asked for that, and the people have been showing up, smashing the likes. You guys mean the most. It truly means the most. Sup, dude? What's up, William? What's up, brother, man? How you doing, King? All right, NASDAQ. Don't tease us now. Got to get through these 700s. Really got to try to get through these 7s again. If I wasn't long, I would even be kind of spotting this. We officially passed the 150 for the week. Hey, we already made it then. We don't even need likes today. We already made it? Let's go, Sauce. Let's go. We're trying to hold through these 700s. Been a big selling point all morning. See if we can get through here. Michigan sentiment's coming out in 7 minutes. I might just close this for a small win, you guys, and then wait for the news to come out. Feels like we could just find the bullish print off of the news, but I don't know. I'm not really a fan of these 700s at the moment. Do you know what I mean? Congrats, Saucy. Yes, sir, Pat. Yeah, I definitely don't like today's video, guys. Yeah, Sauce. Definitely don't. Yeah, I'm in short right now on NQ. All right, Will. I like that. The 700 is not a bad spot to be short right now. It's been finding a lot of respect, so I like the opportunity. This is very wiki all over. Yes, ma'am. Not my favorite price action to be seeing. Not my favorite price action to be seeing, but we are just trying to join the momentum, join these longs, find some buy side. Got to get a closure through these 700s. Come on, NASDAQ. That's all on y'all, the viewers. All you guys. Been crazy. Don't be a weirdo. Don't be a weirdo. Get through these 700s, Nazi. I might just close it here if we can't break through this soon with a little win and then take the rest after the sentiment comes out. If I even have the opportunity to do that. We are ranging 44s to the 15s. I like that, Pat. Could maybe grab a spot there. I see us really struggling at these 700s right now. Lots of resistance at these 700s. Kind of anticipating us to get ran through for our break even. I don't need to push numbers. But we'll see. Michigan sentiment's coming out in 5 minutes. If you guys are not in a position yet, maybe be patient. We're going to have some volatility be injected in. Nothing to do, nothing crazy. Still trying to hold this EMA, but we're finding a lot of resistance at that 700. Should be a pop in a direction soon, you would think. I do think so, Danny. I think we're going to have an opportunity here. Maybe we just get stopped out. Could be the play as well. We got Michigan sentiment in 4.5 minutes. We're finding some sell side, getting back through these 75s. Want to see the buyers step up and support this bottom if we have any chance to go break those 7s. If there's any chance whatsoever to go break those 7s. How's it going, bro? Ronnie, another day, King. Can never complain. Sun's shining. People we care about are healthy. It's a good day. How about you, bro? You get some good rest? You have a good workout yesterday? Sorry I wasn't there with you, but we hope you had a good workout. Look at the support at the 75s again, or the 80s technically this time. Getting back into the 90s. Still finding some flatness at these 700s. We got to see if we can get through that. I think we might start climbing the stairs. I like that, Sauce. We need us to get to the 730s here. Finding some support back at these 80s. Not a bad thing to be spotting. Opinion on Take Profit Trader. William, I think they're solid. I think they're a really good prop firm. I know Pat uses them. I know a lot of people do. Yeah, just play with their rules, respect their pricing, and I think you can definitely make a lot of money with them. Pulled 405 for a double. Felt great. I need to bulk. 405 for a double. Gorilla Man. Let's go, Pat. Love that shit. Healthy traders are profitable traders. Woke up at 4 a.m. for my first workout. 1 hour jump rope. My calves are killing me. Don't think the sauna helped. I think the sauna helped a lot, Jared. That's the best recovery. But, dude, great job, man. An hour of jump rope is actually wild. It's aggressive stellar workout, especially at 4 a.m. Come on. That's the type of shit, guys. Profitable traders are healthy traders. 4 a.m. workouts, getting it in before the market opens, jumping rope for an hour. If you guys have never done that, by the way, like he's saying, your calves, magic. I love that shit, Jared. Good work, King. Let's go, Pat. Trying to get the likes like you and the Sauce Man. We're trying to get like you, Pat. I can't. 405 for a double? Crazy. Why do you jump rope? Cardio? Yeah, Dave. Cardio, really good leg endurance. I mean, think about it this way. We don't jump enough as creatures anymore. So we lost our ability to do it. I think jumping is, like, jump rope is a stellar way to keep your body young, healthy, spry. Really good for the legs. I'm trying to get like you, my boy. All good. I did have a great workout. I met the guy we talked to, the one with the tattoo on the shoulder. He showed me how to work rear delts. Hit the sauna, feeling strong. Come on, Ronnie. I love it, King. Healthy traders are profitable traders, boys. Let's see if we can get through this 700 now. We're starting to find some pressure. Michigan sentiment here in a minute and a half. Starting to find some respect. Can we get our fill to the upside? Looking for the 730s in the NASDAQ. We got news coming out in a minute and 30 seconds. Yo, there are 40 people watching. You guys mean everything. If you have not yet, hit that like button. We've been smashing our goals every day of trying to hit these likes. It means the most. Maybe we can smash the likes enough to get through these 7s. Because, oh my word, the wicks. 2, 3, 5. Like, just wicking. I always do a 1 hour cardio, but I switch it up. Step mill. I love the step mill. Salt bike, great option. Jump rope, rowing. Keeps my heart healthy, Dave. Let's go, Jared. All stellar exercises. Beautiful cardio work. Keeps that heart healthy. And you know what we say about healthy traders here. Good luck, man. This shit's about to move. Let's see it, Dave. Let's see it, Jared. Let's see it. Let's see us. Let's see us finally get through here. I mean, now I'm starting to see as if you were short and you're holding this as your stop, I think you have I think there's a lot of liquidity above. I don't trade till October. Here to support you, King. Let's go, Matrix. I wish you could, King. I wish you could also be participating, or maybe try another prop firm, maybe like Lucid or something. But it's sad. Only a few more days left of the month anyway, though, Matrix. So no worries, King. I appreciate you for being here, brother. Here we go. Finding some buy side. Can we get an execution? Looking for the 730s. Michigan sentiment came out, pushing us above the 15-minute range. Can it lock? Can it close? Looking for the 10 points higher. Boom. What a trade, guys. What a stellar little push. Let's go. Hope we all got to make some money. Let's go. Hell yeah. I hope y'all got to make some money. Hey, Amy, that was a great spot on your part, King. That was a 75 points, one contract. Didn't even need much today. W, I'm going back to bed now. Appreciate you for being here, Matrix. Enjoy your rest, King. Next month, we crush together. Next month, we eat. Thanks, Jay. I appreciate it. Let's go, Marv. Come on, Danny. Hope everybody got to trade. Make some money on that push. NASDAQ is giving right now. Strong entry back into the VWAP to get out of it for a little pullback into the 650 range. 750 now. Did we retest or 700? I think that's a good question, Amy. We probably, honestly, because of all the wicks right here, King, we probably come back and test the 700, test the top of this 15-minute range one more time before really breaking. But we'll see. We will see. Here we go. I hope y'all got to grab some longs there. The market being fairly generous this morning. Giving nice strong pushes, a nice pullback into an easy range at the VWAP and the 50% of our price. Found a nice little exit out of that. Really pretty. Now, next week, we try to pass these combines all over again. Back to funded. Do it again. Topstep thought I was just going to pay for back to funded. Ew. I was thinking about the math, guys. It's $2,500 for $2,000 in drawdown. Technically, it's $10K in drawdown because you have it on 5 accounts. But really, because we copy trade, you only have one account with a $2,000 drawdown, and I spent $2,500 for it. So literally, it'd be more beneficial almost to just go take a live account or a personal account, except for the fact that it is 5. Here we go, pulling back into the 700s, Amin. Top of the 15-minute range in this EMA. Could be a nice little entry, possibly. Our upside is limited, though, to the 746s, so it's still intact, but I don't know. I would try along here in this EMA tap. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Touching into the 15-minute range. Want to find some support by our long friends. It's $2,500 to reset the live accounts. So they have the back to funded. Holy shit. Finding some sell side back into the 700s now. Let's see the reaction here. Back to the top of these wicks like we stated. This is that demand zone that we could not get through. This feels like a fairly decent opportunity. Still finding some sells, though, getting deeper. No, Marv, it's $500. So they have that back to funded account on Topstep or feature right now where if you bust an XFA without taking a payout out of it, then you can just reset the XFA by itself. But it's like $500 per XFA for a 50K account. If you have a 150K account, it's $750, which is like just the activation fee. But yeah, so $500 times 5 accounts, $2,500. It's kind of rough. Took a short from the 30s. Let's go, Danny. Are you serious, Queen? Woo! Good trading, Danny. Our short sniping queen right there. Always finding the nice spots to find the black candles. Stop loss hit next week, bro. Stop loss hit next week, bro. Next week, King. No worries. No worries, I mean. Next week we crushed. We pulled back into the 700s, and now we're just finding some extra sell side. Hard to read after that bullish print came in. That's 10 failed combines, bro. Yeah, I know, Marv. It doesn't really make sense, does it? Doesn't really make sense. And not even 10 failed combines. That's 10 failed attempts at 5 accounts. Because if I bring these 5 sets right here, these 5 only cost you $250. Right? So that's 10. That's a tenth of what it would have cost to reset. Obviously, if I pass tomorrow, I already reset once, so that's $250. Today's another $250. So that's $500. If we pass tomorrow on Monday, that's $1,000. So then it'd be $1,500 all in instead of the $2,500 to get back to where I was. So it saves me $1,000. Saves me $1,000, but we'll see. Pulling back into the VWAP, you guys. Finding a lot of sell side off that 730. Danny, what a great exit. Lost one before, so got it back on this trade. Let's go, Danny. Good trading, queen. Maybe looking to get out around this VWAP price. Maybe looking for low of the 15-minute range. It just seems your next obstacle for sure, if you are looking for the shorts, your obstacle to hold through is this 50% and the VWAP, obviously. We get through there, you could look for the bottom of the range, Danny, but what a sell-off, these 730s. What a sell-off off the 730s there. Pulling into the VWAP with a decompressed buying volume or selling volume. I don't mind this for an attempt as well. Try these 650s out for a potential spot. But we're finding a lot of sell side right now, guys, so be careful. Be careful trying to get in the shorts. We're finding a lot of, or the longs, we're finding a lot of sell side. Breaking through that range, Danny. We got through the 50% and the VWAP. Let's see what happens. It could really drop. I was holding for it to break the 750 for the bull market continuation. Little worried they want to go deeper down. Looking at the TPO, excuse me. Time price opportunity chart. There's a lot of single prints around the 600s. A lot of single prints around the 600, which is also the low of the 15-minute range. We really could come find that. We're getting way deeper through the VWAP than we expected. Through these 650s. Maybe a pullback into the VWAP could be a confirmed short. Still finding some sell side, though. Damn. Targeting the 30s. Danny, you just get out then? What a trade, Danny. You just made 100 points on that? Woo! Danny, a pastor account. Let's go. Great trading, queen. What a fucking move. Short of the 730s, all the way down to the bottom of the range, now into the 620s. Good trading, Danny. Oh, it's going down, Jared. It is wild. We just found a lot of sell side. A lot of sell side. We obviously have overnight low and in London low targeting. Bottom of the 15-minute range. Interesting. Interesting price action. Look at the decompress. Look at the volume coming in for the sells. I'd be looking for a potential short entry again back at the 650s. If we get back through there, you can find some more sells maybe. Going for London lows. Let's see it, William. I think you could be right, King. Beast move. Grats, D. Yes, sir, Jared. Yes, sir. Big rats. Big rats. Well deserved. That's a good way to end the Friday, Danny. Good way to start the weekend on some high positivity. Selling volumes increasing. Finding a pullback into the VWAP could be an opportunity for some sell side. I'd be looking to short the 650 at the moment, maybe. Yeah, I think I'd be looking for a fill at the 650s for the sell side continuation. See what happens, though. See what happens. It's Free Money Friday, you guys. Market's giving today. Free Money Friday. We had a straight 100-point push move up. Small pullback into the VWAP. Another 75-point move from there. And then a 100-point sell-off. She's giving. She's paying. Be patient today. Give yourself some grace. And we can make some money. NASDAQ's pulling through the VWAP right now. If we come get an entry back into the EMA around these 650s, I could be looking for a short. You guys have anything crazy planned for the weekend? Watch my Lions whoop them Browns. Hey, Jared. That's some words right there. The Lions, I do think you have that, though. It's easy. It's a good match. Good match. Yes, King. I'm tomorrow. We're going, me, Sauce, and Tim. We're gonna play a round of golf. Super excited about that. My second time ever. And then after that, I have my grandfather's 88th birthday Sunday, and we're gonna watch some football with him, make a nice dinner, spend the day. So yeah, I'm really excited. Really excited. Love being around my loved ones. Can't have a better weekend. Sometimes I wish I was brave enough for the minis. That would have been a big baggie. I think you're building the confidence, Danielle. I think you're building up the time and the you're gonna be ready for those minis eventually. I really like it. You've been putting up consistently, showing up, doing the same thing, putting in the hard work, and you're getting good at reading the market. Just eventually you trust yourself, put one mini on, and then, have a good play. But still happy with this. Be grateful with what she gives. Sounds like a great weekend. I think so too, Danny. But yes, absolutely. Be grateful always, but eventually, like I said, you're doing all the right things, and you just trust yourself one time, size up, and you can make some monies. Named after Brett Favre. I love it, Sauce. Sounds like a great weekend. Sick. Golf gives me so much. Good luck, bro. Appreciate it, Ronnie. Thanks a lot, King. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Just started trying it. Played one round, had a good time. Now I tried the second one. Hey, man, I joined your live a few minutes ago. Already getting the vibes, man. Give you my respects. Hey, Left Aris. Welcome in, King. Way to join the family, bro. Appreciate it a lot for that message. Means a lot. Good luck if you haven't taken any trades yet. Appreciate it a lot, man. I'm long from the 620s. Maybe cooked. I think it was a little bit of a risky long with sell side still resting below. It's a little bit risky. I would wait for a sweep below this 15-minute range, or maybe London low before you start looking for long. We're still compressed below the VWAP and the EMA right now, so you want to see one of those invert before the longs are really safe. But no worries, Marv. Hopefully you have not as much size, and maybe I'm wrong too. So I just, like I said, it'd be hard. Typically, for the future, I wouldn't really take a long with the sell side resting right below, right? Like, we had a target right down here. But we just slipped the 600, so maybe we can get pulled back into your range now. Let's see. Still finding some more sell side. I like the pack too. I'm originally from KC, but I can't like the Chiefs at the moment. I like that dual back threat out of the Detroit. More of a player fan myself. Good luck to the Packs. Hey, I love it, Jared. More of a player fan myself. I'm the same way, dude. I love competition. I love sports. I love effort, and I think the professionals that they're paid the most to try the hardest, and they're going against each other. I love watching competition. So any teams playing, I'm interested. Anyone trying, I like it. Make 10K on a test account for TPT by accident. Tries to lose 8,500 and messed up, and then blew the accounts. LOL. Damn, William. Yeah, I just got stopped. It's all right, Marv. Now we're getting pushed back into your price, of course. So that was, I don't want to fucking pour salt in the wounds, King, but just look at this for a really good learning opportunity, right? You took this long at the 620s when we started finding some support here. Even though we had that sell side resting below, now that we swept that, now we're starting to have the chance for this to actually hold. I would be now looking to long these 600s maybe, but again, like I said earlier, with the amount of sell side, I really would be looking for a re-entry at the VEMA for a short. I said 650. We never even got a chance at the 650s. Highest we got it was 638s. But when you start seeing this type of momentum, so just for learning for anybody that wants to fucking see, here one shorted 635 to the 600 with 2 MNQ. Let's go, Dave. Good trading, King. W. Tyler just got back. Let's go, Pat. How you doing, King? Happy you're back, King. Dave made 130. Let's go. You got a fave. You got a fave tie. Need to pass. I don't have a fave team. No, I just like players. I like. Man, I guess technically, if I had to give you a fave team, my family, we all grew up in New England watching the Patriots. My grandfather, who I'm going to visit Sunday for his 88th birthday, diehard Patriots fan. So I would have to say the Pats just for family's sake, but I don't really have a favorite team. I just like to watch sports competition. But so real quick, I just want to let Marv know for a learning opportunity here without having to put fire on your wounds, bro. But we had a strong reaction, right, this morning. So we had this nice bullish print. Boom, right up to the top of the range. We go sideways at these 700s. Find a sell into the VWAP. The support pushes us through the 15-minute range. We had the news come out as well. We get all that support, push through this range, through all this pricing, this flatness really is what I anticipate, or how I'm reading this is we had a lot of sell side stuck here, but enough pressure through the news to push through all the sell side stops, pushed up, found the next price, and then the shorts really came in. And once you see this type of a weight sweeping through the 15-minute range, we get a closure through it, these 700s that were a big line. So much resistance at these 700s that the next time this candle cut through here really aggressively, we should be looking to say, okay, maybe these bears are serious. And then we got the continuation. We cut through the next big level, these 650s. Strong candle, cut through the 650s. Below VWAP and the 50%. After that happened, and then this next candle, like I was really looking to see that sell side break just because of the pressure. And then you could be looking for an EMA pullback. And now look at the EMA. EMA is literally just rifling this thing to the downside. So always learning, Marv. I'm just trying to help out, King. I know you know what you're doing, but just trying to help everybody here. But need 380 to pass the eval. Let's go, Dave. You got this, King. You from Mass? I'm by Lowell. I'm in Maine, but my aunt lives in New Hampshire. She grew up in Mass, so Lowell. I've been around there a lot. I used to wrestle all over Mass. We would drive through Lowell and a bunch of spots. Brett, I think it may be Buffalo's year, but it always surprises me. Your defense just got much better. Love Parsons. Yeah, no, their defense did step up. You think the Buffs finally got it, though? They could not get through their conference game. We'll see. We'll see, Jared. I like it. I'll never take offense, bro. Appreciate the advice. Hell yeah. That's that king mindset, Marv. I'll fuck with that. That's that king mindset. I used to live up in Windham and Portland. No way! William, in our neck of the woods. Literally. Up in our neck of the woods. That's all we got up here. Trees and more trees. I love it. I love the quiet in Maine. I'm excited. I kind of do want to explore and travel and see some more opportunity, more culture, more humans, more people. But the safety, the quiet, the comfort of Maine is... I miss Maine. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're a Northeastern man, though. You're in Mass still, and you're in Maine. Yes, sir. I love it, Will. I think it can be this year, but they pretty much need Josh to play like Superman every game, which is tough. I love our defense this year, man. It gets me fired up. Still finding some sell side, you guys. We pushed through the bottom of the 15-minute range, starting to find a little bit of reaction by these buyers, but like I said, I'd be a little bit hesitant to join the longs right now. After the pressure that we had to kick back through all this range earlier, I don't know. I don't know. Either way, we can be grateful that the market's giving opportunity. 100 points up, 100 points down. I got a lake house by the Wolfboro. No way. Maine get stormy or nothing crazy? No, we don't experience like really any natural events other than like a big old northeastern, they call them, which is just giant clusters of snow that we'll get hit with for a few days. But no like tropical, no hurricanes, no tornadoes, no nothing like that. Just lots of snow, and sometimes it can be heavy. Like I think last year, no, not last year, the year before. Yeah, it was last year. Either last year or the year before. But out here where I'm at, we lost power for like 96 hours, like 4 days straight of just generator. And that can happen if you get a big old heavy one. But snowstorms, Marv, summer is really just humid and hot. I love our summers. I really do. I love our falls and our springs. I'm going to Smokies next weekend. Hey, Dave, getting in that nature before it's too late, before the winter comes for us. I love it, Dave. If I was in Maine, I would want dogs and a gun. You just described the average Mainer. We got our puppies and we got our pistols, no doubt about it. Our rifles too. Humid and hot is tough. Yeah, but you get used to it, Marv. You do. Snowstorms are not too bad, but you get used to the humidity. Like this year, honestly, was really pretty chill, pretty dry. Yeah, you would fit in with all of us. Smokies doesn't have mountain lions. It's safe. Yeah, no, you'll be chilling at Smokies. I'll never move out of New England. Never will? I'm starting to myself be like, dang, what would it be like? What would it be like to just not get snowed on for half the year? What would it be like to not miss? What would it not be like to just get sun and not be cold for half the year? No, but I love Northeast. The New England. I agree. I'm trolling. I'm stuck here. My family's here, so I'll never leave anyways. But just to explore. Maybe I have like a Florida house for 6 months. Like that shitty wet time. And then, but it's so humid there too. I don't know. And then come home. Because nothing beats Maine summer and Maine fall. You will never see anything more beautiful. It truly is beautiful, Danny. Like our seasons, like right now, if I could show you guys outside, the amount of leaves, color change, it's like a painting. It's gorgeous outside right now. And like nice temperature. Oh, it's awesome. Pine Tree Trader lives in Maine. Pine Tree Trader. I don't know who that is. Should I know who that is? That's awesome. We should connect with the dude. Maybe I'll be a snowbird. That's what I kind of want to do, Will. I used to talk to him. Word, is he cool? All right, Dave. I have to check in the guy. Pine Tree Trader. Morning, Ryan. Welcome in, King. Hope you're doing all right. 250Ks passed in pre-market. But bad Topstep didn't fund me. 250Ks passed pre-market, but bad Topstep didn't fund me. No. But you passed, King. Let's go. So, yeah, you're just waiting on them to confirm it so you can get your XFAs. Good trading, King. Maine's better than Iowa. Chickens, corn, and cows combines also. Chickens, corn, and cows. Sounds flat. Iowa sounds pretty flat. Sounds like my thing for sure. Come check it out, Danny. Come check it out. Have a little vacation up here. Get with the group. That'd be sweet. They're so slow. Yeah. Very flat. Bro, I'm 3 pounds away from being back in the 200s. I'm hype, Ronnie. Congratulations on the health process, my man. It's slow and it's steady, but when you keep showing up every day, bro, you get the results. I'm fucking proud of you. Go work, dude. My level for the day is 574. 10-point stop loss. I'm just seeing if it will deliver now. My level is for the day is 574s. I like that a lot, Ryan. Trading that overnight low, essentially. London low. I think it's going to deliver, King. I think right now we're compressed below the 15-minute range. I think since the sentiment came in and we just had this pressure, I'm not really seeing much support by the long side at the moment. I like that. I like your level. I like the level. That shit hypes me up, though, Ronnie. Healthy traders, King. Healthy traders are profitable traders. I will say in Cali, 75% of the population just parties all day. But, man, if you're taking advantage of the nature, it is beautiful. 75% parties in Cali? Is there really pretty sights in Cali? I'm sure it's gorgeous. Everything. Life is gorgeous, but isn't Cali just kind of... No, it's warm. It's beautiful. What am I talking about? 6 different ecosystems within 45 minutes of each other. Yeah, exactly, Mar. That's wild. Did you change to lose the weight? What did you change to lose the weight, Ronnie? Dave asked. Let's go. I think I know what the answer is, but I'm going to let him answer. I can see that, Mar. Social media portrays it as just big cities and beaches, but there's much more to it, for sure. And that's life. Social media only shows what it wants to show you. Yo, I don't know where we're at right now for likes, you guys, but I appreciate you guys, and if you haven't hit the button yet, help the stream out. Try to get to our goal. Big blacks, no wicks, P. Enos. Let's see the big blacks. Our man's short. Find this compression at the EMAs, targeting the London low at the 560s, 570s. Come on. Hard rejection off the London low and Asia lows. Yeah, not quite yet, Will. We haven't quite tapped in yet. I would put our price closer like the 74s to see if those sweep through. Big blacks, no wicks. The name is stellar. The name is magic. Puts a smile on our faces. We got a big weekend ahead. I hope everybody's looking forward to some time off the charts. Spend time with the loved ones. Do the things that really matter. Do the things that we trade for. Never fails to get me. No, it really doesn't. Dave, I wanted to change. That's it. That's that start right there. I wanted to change. Oh, that shit gets me goosebumps. Hypes me up, Ronnie. I was 365 pounds last summer. I met Tyler in the gym, and he helped me learn how to work out. I then started dieting, calories in versus calories out. It's hard work, and it's you, bro. You showed up. Honestly, I just want to say, bro, so much respect to Ronnie, because I don't know, if anyone, 365 pounds is a lot of effort, a lot of weight, and I was working out, and he walked right up to me. He's like, bro, I like the way you work out. It looks like you know what you're doing. Can you help me? And that sentence right there, bro, fucking huge. And the man, every time I give him any advice, he listens perfectly, takes it in sight. He's putting the effort in his diet, changing the things that he's doing, getting more sleep, focusing on the recovery, doing everything that matters, and it literally is life. It means the most to me. So good work, Ronnie. Just want to give you your flowers right now, King. Hope you get to that sub 200, that sub 300 goal here in the next couple, I mean, anytime, really. Holy sell side, though. There's those big blacks, P. Enos. No wicks, too, King. Don't wick on him. No wicks. I'm still working on it, though. Every day is better. Every day is better, King. He showed me how to do it, bro. Chasing health. Chasing health, King. No doubt about it. Let's fucking go. Healthy people are happy people. Pushing into these 540s. Ryan, your level played out, King. I'm gonna go to the gym. Have a good day, fellas. Take it easy, brother. Enjoy your workout. Enjoy your work, King. Your level played out. Homie, that's a massive change. Way to have the confidence to ask. And Ty, you're a great individual, man. Helping everywhere, bro. Hey, that's him, man. That's him. Asking for help and then putting the work in is fucking huge. It's everything. This is my first week on the XFA, and I am up 1,063. So super proud. Awesome trading with you all. Let's go, Danny. Woo! Up 1,000 on her XFA. Come on. Sounds like a pay week. You're getting paid next week, Queen. Let's go. Danny smashing. Good karma, brother. Yes, sir, Mad Max. Create love and love will find you. Create love and love will find you. Finding some more sells into the 530s right now. 200 points from your original short, Danny. Holy cow, we're finding some sell side right now, you guys. Look at this hourly candle. Big black, no wick. You know what I'm saying? Holy pressure on this sell right now. These are the days to make money. D had an amazing trade this morning. Respect. No doubt about it. 200 just pretty much drop right to her price from her entry. Saucy, what do we have for our light goal for the today, brother? Did we hit our goal? Look at the sell side. Still finding some more pressure. Volumes increasing. Maybe finding the 500 whole number is a reasonable offer today. Super insane drop for sure. Yes, ma'am. Obviously, you can never... It's so hard in the NASDAQ. It's always like, man, if I just held, I would be up 200 points. But it's like, it's just not the way the market facilitates typically. We don't typically just cliff dive. Although, I will say, the pressure through these big ranges... excuse me, twice. The pressure through these 700s, bang. The pressure through the VWAP, bang. Like, these were the signs after this long support was the sign that we might have some real sell side. Super insane drop for sure. We need 11 more. We need 11 more likes, y'all. Don't let us come just shy of our goal of hitting 30 each day, y'all. You passed too fast, brother. The viewers left. I know. They were like, yeah, the trade's done. I'm out. We need 11 human beings to get us to our weekly goal of hitting the 30 each day. Next week we're not gonna be asking. Next week we're just gonna chill. Not really a fan of having to ask, especially because I can't give you guys anything for, like, you know, doing it. It's not I want to figure out a way to get our all, you know, for value. Just want it to be valuable for everybody. Pulling back into the EMA right now. the selling has been intense. You might have a chance shorting the EMA touch. I'd be a little patient just because we could also find some pressure. But yeah, I think overall sells are in still. Sells are definitely still in still. Oh, let's go, Danielle. Into this 560s. Are the longs going to maybe try to find a little spot to find some support? 10:30. Market's only been open for an hour. Only been open for an hour. What's the max account of accounts with Topstep? I know it's 5 for XFAs. Yeah, you can have 5 XFAs. I think you can have 5 XFAs and 5 combines. And maybe even more combines, but I know you can't have more. Like once you pass them, you can't keep activating. So I'm not fully sure to the answer to that, William. But I think it's 5, or maybe you can even more, like 10 combines, but you just can't like activate them. I don't know. I'll try the 600s and add. I like that. I like that, Jared. Try the 600s for some sell side. Find a short. I think. Yeah, so where we just tapped into, which was this previous day low, or the overnight low, for the retracement. Yeah, I don't know. 600 feels okay. Man, I missed the trade, but kept taking shorts from 611 with 4 contracts and got my 1500 for the combine pretty quick, huh? Now we wait for Monday to pass. Let's go, TLR. Way to find the sells there, man. Way to find the sells. 4 contracts is pretty heavy, but you made it work, King. Good job. Next week, we pass together. Let's go. Short from the 567s. I like that tap in. So you took the short at the bottom of the, once we retrace back into London low. It's a good entry. You got to see some support, though. Your overall target should obviously be looking for us to re-snap this low, or obviously lower, but you're in at the 67s. I'd almost be putting break even on if we get a closure below this, closure below these 45s. I'd put a break even on, Marv. Just because we could also find some buy side. This is going to be a no trade day for me, man. I don't think it's going to give it to me. I understand, Jared. I mean, even if you don't have to trade, it's okay, but I still think we have a chance to get an entry. 600 does feel a little bit high. Like it's even, yeah, we just had so much pressure here, but I do think we have a chance. I don't know. Some days, no trade days are good too, though, King. You know what I mean? Dude, that almost stopped you out, but you're still in this, Marv. Let's go. Break even should be on if we get a closure right here. Put your break even on and just be patient, King. And it's all right if we don't get a fill back at the 600, Jared. Yo, for real though, guys. Really do want to hit that goal for the 30 likes on today's video. If you're not subscribed, I think you're being weird. And if you're not joining this comment section, you're actually doing yourself a big disservice. Because we are all learning to get better at trading here together. Join the conversation. Man, why this is wicking. Man, why this wick's wicking. Scary right now, but you're still in here, King. Have your break even on at this 56s, right? 57. You should be safe and be targeting maybe snap at this low, but it's also, we're finding a little bit of resistance. A little bit of resistance. That's just the That NAS just saved my account. Gold was wonking this morning. Hopefully it turned the day around. Let's go, Ruckus. Glad you could save on this NASDAQ. 200-point sell-off to the downside. Good trading, King. Good trading, Ruckus. Sorry gold was trouble for you. If this hits, I pass. Let's go, Marv. What do you need for a fill? What do you need for your fill price, sir? What do you need? What's your take profit at? Still finding some decompression. Don't want to get above this EMA. USA is getting smoked in the Ryder Cup. No. The boys ain't got it right now, huh? If we continue to hold right here, Marv, we might come to your stop, your break even. It's really steep. 100 points. Oh, okay, King. So you need 467. That's tough. That's tough, King. But it can play. It's not impossible. It's even within yesterday's range. So if we go take out previous day low, you're in there. We just got to get through this EMA price. I want to find some more selling for you to get through there. Look at the decompressed selling, though. I'm not really a fan of that. Truly. But your break-even's on, so you have nothing to worry about. Good trading. We're just back in the bearish trend on the 1 hour time frame. Yes, sir. Look at this hourly candle as well. Holy hell, huh? It's one of the biggest hour. Oh, this one was bigger. Okay. So it's one of the biggest hourly candles we've seen in a while. Even these ones were broken up. But this was just a thick continuation candle. Andre, welcome in, King. I think it's first time seeing your name. New chatter. What's up, brother? I'm sold until the previous day low. Excuse me. I think that's a good. I think it's a good target. I think we find possibly PDO potentially in these 450s. If we do get down there, Marv will be doing good. Finding some support back at this EMA. See if we can get some sell side to come in, bring us to that lower previous day prices. Looks like it's going for the 30-minute imbalance or fair value gap. Yeah, so we do have a decent low imbalance. It's back into the 620s. Could be a play as well. I don't know. I am not sure. It looks like it could be Ruck. We'll see. Stopped out Marv, unfortunately, there. Unfortunately, King, but it's all right. Pulling back in towards these previous, this London low price, retesting the bottom. I'll wait for the rejection for a sell. I like that. Getting closer to your fill too, Jared. Getting closer to your fill. It's all good, Marv. Day's still early. Yes, sir, Ruckus. That's it right there, King. How we doing, champs? Yes, sir, Sob. There he is. Welcome in, King. Doing well. Feeling happy. Friday. Free money Friday. If the market is moving too, dude. We had a 100-point push off this opening candles. 2 candles pushed us up. Went sideways at the 700s for a long time. We pulled into the VWAP. We took a long. Sold at the top for this little pull. And then this shorts just started smashing. Yeah, so the market is marketing today, Sob. It's giving. It's providing liquidity. So was yesterday. It's my first time. I saw yesterday. Oh, my word. 100 points everywhere. So much opportunity yesterday. And it traded so cleanly. Like, oh. Damn, wrong day to sleep in, I guess. No, sir. It's still early. Market's still moving, King. You got this shit. 2 stops. I might just take a break. Might just have to. Maybe smart. I mean, you got broke even right there, right? So break even trades are nothing. Take a break even. It's a free trade. Free chance to make some money. No worries to be upset about a break even. Sob, what's up, brother? Yes, sir. I followed you on X. Don't do much on Instagram. I think that's what you use primarily. I post on X sometimes. I don't post a lot. I don't post on Instagram a lot either. But I'm hoping to, Jared. I'm hoping to start. Oh, Jared, we're going to pull into your 600 price right here, King. Yeah, I'm hoping to start posting more, trying to share more insights behind the scenes. I think the biggest thing I could share with you guys is just the mindset and psychology that I hold outside of trading that I think influences my trading. But yeah, bro, I appreciate the follow and gotta find a spot to be posting more content, more useful content. Now, I really want to start posting more on YouTube, but right now I have a JOB. I have a 9-to-5 JOB that takes a lot of my time. What's good, Brett? Great day to have a great day. Great day to have a great day, Sob. I love that, King. If we can't find any more support right here at the 600s, that could find a spot to maybe short here. I don't mind it for an opportunity. Maybe we pull back into the VWAP though. But I don't think so. Just the way that the price got stuck here previously at these like 612s. I think I'd be short right now at 612. I think I'd be trying it. Not financial advice. It's not financial advice, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's a big green candle. I'm going to wait. All right, Jared. I like that. I will say, though, those are typically decent spots to enter. When you get a big move against you, the market tends to validate it, if you will. But I understand. It's a scary entry. Yo, Saab, my man. I know you're late. Hit that thumbs up, King. We're trying to get to 30 likes. I think we're a little bit behind today's episode. Saab said, Sauce said it's because we made our money too early, so people just left. Oh, I'm so excited for golf tomorrow. Gonna play with the boys. 622s. I would definitely be willing to short the VWAP, you guys. I think it's a high probability. I'd have my order at these 33.75s. I'd be looking to short one contract, possibly back at the VWAP. Not financial advice. I just like the range a lot. Look at the excessive buying volume back into a big spot. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Dave's trying to finish his. Dave's trying to finish his. He needs a little bit more as well. Gonna clap you just like in PGA. No, sir. This is real golf. Not with a stick. This is real golf. You're gonna see a real man play. I'm with you. That's the 30-minute imbalance. Let's go, Ruck. I like the short here at the VWAP a lot. A latte. I like the short here at the 33s a latte. I will short the VWAP. Okay, Jared. Technically, we might have just tapped it. I don't know. No, we didn't. We avoided it by a tick. Yeah, so these two previous wicks here at these 63s is where I'd be looking for a fill. Potentially. We'll see. I'm with you. We'll see. Timothy, you hit that like button yet, King? We got to hit our 30 goal. Here's a VWAP pull. See if we can get some reaction now from the sell side. Makes you just want to. Come on, VWAP. Let's see some sellers stepping in here. See some reaction back at this price. Want to see some reaction back at this VWAP. Find some sell side to step in a little bit here. Bring us back to the EMA at the 600s. From there, that's going to be the next obstacle. Just officially tapping the VWAP there now. You're going to have to shoot a 90 TNADs. Oh, dude. Easily. Starting to find some pressure through here. Still want to find this reaction at the VWAP. Want to see sellers step in here. EMA's trying to curl. Finding some pressure here. Look at the excessive buying volume candles. It's kind of hard for them to maintain that typically. Starting to find a little bit of reaction off that VWAP. Come on. Come on. We got to get breakthrough to this EMA. Want to see some reaction. I took it. All right, Jared. Good luck, King. Rooting for you. I like it. Stops would be... it's tough because it's a tight trade, but... yeah. The 50% of the range here, we could come up and test as well, sadly. The 54s. Shit's fighting. It is fighting right now. Not exactly the type of pressure I'd expect to see off this VWAP, but we'll see. I think you're going to get a pull to the EMA at the 16s, and then from there you can make a decision. What's up, G? Back to funded again with Tradeify. Let's go, Paul. Congrats, King. Good trading. That's real good shit right there. Not easy to do. Not easy to do at all. Come on, VWAP. Let's see some reaction for ya. Want to see these sellers stepping in here. Laugh my ass off. Yo, people think trading is easy. Shit be stressful, yo. It is a stressful gig. This is not a job for the if you can't handle your emotions, you're not gonna make it in this industry. You gotta be able to handle it, sit here and just watch the market move and pay ya. If we get a closure or a tap into this EMA, I'd put your it's tough. It's not a lot of range for you guys, but I don't like the way that we're holding this price right now. I don't mind it because we're still stuck below the big level, but the way the EMA is acting is a little weird here. If we get a tap into the EMA around these 610s, I'd put your break even on just to be safe. Hardest easy money. Yes, ma'am. It's the hardest easy money we'll ever make in our lives. If this VWAP does start to hold, I'd put break even on once we tap into this EMA. Around these 610s area. You're up about 20 points now. Yeah, right there I'll be putting break even on. So now you guys should be at least riding for free. And then if we get this to pull, you should make some monies. Come on, she's pulling into the 600s. Got to get through here. Got to get through these 600s if it's going to find some more sell side. There it goes, Ruckus. There it goes, Jared. Let's go. I'm up 30. I'm up around $30, 2 lots. Come on. Break even on and patience, King. Let's go. Trading's a breeze, but your mindset is the real challenge. Yes, sir, Paul. It's always in the mind, the game. We play games with ourselves. Tricking ourselves and shit. W's. Let's go, Corey. Good trading, King. Finding some sell side. Can we get back through these 600s for the continuation? Nice entry at the VWAP for anybody that took that. Sexy little range. I took it and I made 1,400. Let's go, Casey. Let's go, Casey. Good trading. First time I think I've seen your name. Welcome in, chatter. Welcome to the family, bro. Good trading. Love that shit. Let's see these 600s break to the downside. Find some more continuation possibly. Break even should be on for anybody at VWAP. Just be patient now. Yo. One more time, y'all. I'm going to be getting out of here in about 10 minutes. I don't know where we're at with our like goal, but if you haven't yet, hit the like button. Helps us out a ton. Helps the stream. Sold a bit too early at 607, but still made 600. Let's go, Magic Montage. Everybody eating on that short. I fucking love it. Good trade, bro. Way to take the trade. First time I think I've seen your name too, Magic. So welcome in, King. Yeah, if y'all haven't yet, hit that thumb up. Help the stream out. Get the vibes rolling. We had a 30 goal. We had a goal to hit 30 each day. We're at 24. We're right there. Come on. Don't let us fall 6 short of hitting the goal for the whole week. That's crazy. Drop the likes. Yes, sir, Pat. Welcome, everybody new. Absolutely, Pat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the family, y'all. Love having you here. Pat, I hope you got to make some money on that, maybe. You make some money today, King? How you doing? How's the trading going for you, brother? How's the mindset? Seen your stream a few times, but first time really watching it. I really like it. Yo, the kindest words right there. Thank you, Magic. Shit means a lot right there, bro. Just curious why you work and how you want to make before you quit your job. Why do you work? I think I work because I was indoctrinated by my parents to think that you need safety. I'm afraid. I'm terrified. I'm scared. I like money. I like security. And how much you want to make before you quit your job? It's a good question, Ruckus. I don't know. I don't know, King. Great question, Ruckus. Yeah, Timothy's curious as well. Great job on the 1,500. Yes, sir, Pat. I take that buy and go to lunch now, hit TP, and pass some evals. Let's go. Let's go, Amy. Good trading, King. We work because we broke. We work because we broke. Yes, sir, Saab. It's smart to work and trade. It's extra money and security. See, that's it right there, Pat. Free money. Free money, but, man, I would like to have my time back. Shaved one here. Let's go, Jared. Good exit into the 570s, King. Keep holding. I think we have more downside potential. Oh, my God. What a short at the VWAP. The market's paying today. I love it. Market is fucking paying today, guys. Beautiful move. Beautiful move from the 30s into the 40s down into the 60s. I was like, oh, gorgeous trading. I'm asking myself, that's why I ask. Ruckus, I think it's different for everybody. I think if you're safe, I think if you know how much your spending is, so like what are your bills, and if as long as you got like, I don't know, like a year of savings, and if you don't even take a payout in a year, and you can handle all that, then I think you're good to quit and trade full time. Don't ever quit. Trading will take money fast. Go part time if anything. Excuse me. GPT, it's good advice. I mean, it's tricky. Again, it's really different for everybody. God, I got a burp stuck in my chest. Sorry about that. Trade for another 6 months to a year, then quit. I like that, Pat. You did great this year in payouts. We did all right. Got more goals. We're going to try to crush some more. I really imagine if, oh my God, today's printing money, guys. Man, I hope I get 100 points off this last one. I hope so too, King. Is this for an XFA, Jared? 2 more likes for the goal. 2 more likes for the goal. No way we're going to stop 2 likes short of our goal for the whole week, right? Yeah, but the reason you trade is to take over a job. Basically, I guess when I got like 100K up, I'll quit. 100K profit, 100K savings, 100K payouts. What do you mean? Because, I mean, I agree. If I made what you did in payouts, I'd be trading in Okinawa. I kind of want to go there, Pat. Is that Japan? Trading some Okinawa. Yeah, I see we all got different opinions. It just depends on you, for sure, Ruckus. Whatever you feel safe and comfortable with. For me, I have, like, a decent savings, but I'm still a little scared about it. A bit over $100 to pass. One more. Come on, Dave. Bit over $100 to pass. Short of 580, baby. Yes, sir, King. Great entry on the 580. Starting to get pulled back to your break even. Man, shorts have been playing today. Good trading, Dave. I trade my own account. Sierra Charts. AMP. No shit. You're a private trader. You're a personal trader. I love that, Jared. Congrats, King. Congrats, King. And good discipline on this trade. I'd still have my break even on VWAP and just be waiting. One more like Riaziel says. Come on, y'all. One more like, we can smash our goal that we had for the whole week. 30 on each episode for the week. Y'all are crazy. Yeah, Japan, we'll travel in the future, bro. The chart's got some trips coming up in the future. No doubt about it, King. We're all going to experience some vacation on the NASDAQ money. We're all going to experience a vacation on the NASDAQ money. Maybe we have like a little group meetup. And I'll do something fun. I think that'd be super cool. We got it. Oh, y'all are fucking awesome. Thank you so much. Y'all showed so much love this week's stream. Every episode, y'all showing up, putting great insight in the vibes, sharing as much as we can with each other. And we're all getting better. I mean, I think this week we ate as a team. I think we really did. I didn't have my best week, but hey, that's okay. I know a lot of people in chat made some money this week, and that feels fucking amazing. So, y'all pat yourselves on the back. We had a stellar week. We had a stellar time. Market's been moving, paying, providing. Next week, I don't think we're going to have as much volatility, but it's okay because we got what we could. It's going to wrap it up for me, though, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to close up for the day. We're still finding some sell side. We got back into the VWAP at the 630. Still found some more continuation to the downside. Maybe these 650s could hold as a second spot for some upside, but I would still be having my break even on the VWAP continuing to target lower. And that's what we got. I'll be definitely coming back next week. Have a great weekend. Hey, you too, King. I appreciate you for being here. Later, all. See y'all, Ty. Have a great weekend. See you next week. Have an amazing weekend. Everybody, drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. Have a good weekend. Clear your mind of the charts. Do something healthy. Sweat a little bit. Healthy traders are profitable traders. And next week, you guys, we crush. Next week, we crush, you guys. All right, Pat, you're out. Hope you had a good trading day, King. Have a good workout. Danielle, take care. Jared, Magic, Dave, Ruck, everybody, Sobs, Amin. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a great time. And we crush the markets next week. All right, y'all. Peace.